Hello guys, this is Starry from EVANGEL. As one of leading trading companies, we provide the best solution to our customers. Today we have an excavator need to export to the Cayman Islands. Now let's go to the Shanghai Port. Now we are in the Shanghai Port. Look at that. The machine in front of us is SANY SY155H hydraulic excavator. Let's take a look. This machine designed for mine operation because it's equipped with the Japan Isuzu engine in order to get strong power and reliable performance. The rotary platform is fitted with anti-collision side beam and the heavy-duty traveling mechanism, so that makes it a typical type mine model. Besides the heavy-duty rock bucket fitted with imported wear-resistant plate as bottom plate, equipped with heavy load rock bucket tools to improve the service life by over 50%. The grab arm, the boom, and the undercarriage are reinforced structure to have good adaptation to the severe working conditions. Finally, don't forget to take a look at the luxury cabin. The cabin with high-grade trim parts, wide view, suspended seat, high-definition smart display screen, and a fully automatic air conditioner that will make sure to provide you a comfortable driving experience. Now, more and more customers choose SANY machine because their slogan that quality changes the world seems to be coming true. If you have interest about this machine, please contact me as below. Thanks for watching.